Hi everybody, welcome to my playback. I'm so excited to have you here tonight. I'm just typing in my website before we get started, and then I'll get everything up there. Hi Michelle. Just trying to, whoops. Hi Jean. We are going to do something really fun. Okay, got that up there. Now all I have to do is place this into my holder without messing anything up. All right. So I have chosen to work with one of my dark boards, and we have a brand new transfer, which I absolutely adore. It is it has a big welcome, it has a little welcome. Let's see, I just need to get that wrapper off so that you guys can see, and I'm waiting for my video to pop up on my timeline so that I can see it. Here we are. Okay, so I will turn, apparently I'm a little crooked. I don't know if that'll help. Okay, so hi Sylvia, hi Nikki, hi Tracy. Okay, I can see now. So we have a big welcome, a little welcome, a cute little flower, which is like a nice adornment for anything, and then a little part that says let's stay home. So you can use these in any sort of way. I'm going to use the big welcome, and I'm going to try a technique that I have not seen done before, but I got the idea actually. So we have our ink colors. We have three shimmery, kind of like glittery colors. We have silver, gold, and copper. And I was thinking, I don't know if it was last night or if it was today, I was thinking of mixing some of that silver with some of the teal of the plain inks, and I thought, hi Jen, I thought, oh goodness, what if I could mix some of that with just our regular old chalk paste instead of having to deal with the glitter, which the glitter can get kind of you know, messy, which I love glitter, but it can kind of get messy. So I'm wondering if I do this welcome, can I have like a kind of an empty-ish container? So what I'm going to do, I have my sand chalk paste, so I'm going to put a few scoops into my empty-ish container, enough to know that this will, I have a few chunks in there, but it'll be okay. And then I'm going to add a touch of gold. Hi Dawn. Hi Nicole. Now, this is 100% not proven, tested, or suggested by anyone. I have no idea how this will work at all. I'm just going to try it. So I just scooped a little bit of that ink in there. Now you know that our ink is a permanent, it can be permanent if it's heat set, but if it's not heat set, then it's not permanent. I wonder if I need a little bit more just to see. I'm going to do a little bit more just to get some of that shimmer. Now it's like all over me. Of course I make a mess. Of course I do. Hi, Julie. Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit more in so that we can see a little bit more shimmer. So maybe I can just like scrape it off the lid and into my mixing pot. And then I can save this. This actually goes, oops, my gosh, I am making a mess. I am mixing quite a bit, but I can save it if it works, and if it doesn't, no big deal. This stuff goes a super long way. All right, so I have the color sand, and I have some gold shimmer added in here. So we will see how this works. I have no idea. It could be total fail, but it also could be a total win. And then I get props for coming up with the idea, right? Right. Okay. I just need to clean off my little area before I begin. I don't want any of that where I'm going to be working. So I really love the combination of colors with my dark board and the sand. That's why I chose that. And then I'm hoping some of that shimmer will come out. I am actually going to, this is a wax painted surface. Hi, Debbie. This is a wax painted surface. However, I am going to go ahead and fuzz my transfer a little bit onto my towel so that, oh my goodness, I know you guys have heard me say that before. I love the smell of a brand new transfer. Seriously. Oh, they have like this funky, I don't know. It's probably not, it's kind of like people who like the smell of gasoline, you know. It's probably not the best. However, I want to leave a little space. I kind of want to do, we'll just do the welcome and we'll see how it goes. I wanted to do that flower too. Hi, Jana. Hi, Melissa. Hi, John. Hi, Debbie. Okay, so I'm just going to use my finger to make sure everything that needs to be stuck is stuck. And I'm just going to just apply some of this. I got some chunks in here. Those are okay. You just have to scrape them off. And I'm going to use my big. So I kind of changed the color a little bit of what we're doing. It's now kind of a goldish sand, obvi. I totally did that. I wanted it to be a little shimmery. So we'll have to see how this comes out. The, you know, the chalk is a little bit thicker. So it definitely got a little bit thinned from the gold. I do see a little shimmer, so let's hope that carries through when I do the reveal. I'm just making sure every nook and cranny is covered throughout the whole word. I kind of have a way of missing something and then not really paying attention to it until it's after the fact. Okay, so let's peel and reveal. Oh, you know, I'm seeing it already. It is shimmery. Yay. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Jessica. Jessica, did you see what I did? I'm so rogue. Totally shimmery, you guys. Totally, totally, totally. I'm loving it. So loving it. I'm going to plop this over into my water tub. I need to get that cooking in the water. Make sure all that ink comes off. Oh, I'm so, so happy. So, so happy. So what you probably can't tell. I'll try to put some light on it, and we'll see if I can get this light closer. If you can see the shimmer. I don't know. Can you guys at all see any shimmer? Because it totally is shimmering. I don't know if there's a good way to hold it up. That's just kind of like in the light. I don't know. It probably doesn't help much. Maybe if I just hold it up. Hi, Nikki. So I'll tell you what I did. For those of you who joined late, I took some gold ink and I mixed it with some sand chalk because I wanted my sand to just be a little, you know, sparkly. And so I wondered if I could just do that and it would work, and it did. Although when I'm here, hi Jennifer, you guys, it's hard to tell, so I didn't want to like give it away too much. What? I don't know. So I wanted to try this. What did I do with the flower? Oh, this little flower. It's just such a cute flower. And kind of like put it off to the edge of the, yeah, I could do it up here or something. Yes, it looks pearly. That's a really great way to describe it when I, after I did it. So I'm wondering if I can, you know, do other colors and see how that works. I was hoping, because that silver is so, so pretty, I was hoping to be able to do like silver with something. Hi, Joe. And try it. I can add this little flower up here, but I'm not liking the way it looks. In just the shimmer and see the difference. Okay, I can do that. It'll be very gold. So we'll do just, yeah, like while this is definitely a pearly look, this gold will be definitely more gold. Like you can see the shimmer even just now when I'm putting it on. Okay. Wipe that off. Oops, you know what? I think I got, okay. So there you have just the gold, and then this is the mixture. So it definitely lightened that up, made it a little pearly. The gold is really shimmery and sparkly. I will lift the board up so you can, I mean, you can see a color difference right there. Just as you're looking at it, but for sure, oops, if I lift this up, you'll see a difference in here for sure. I'm waiting for my picture to adjust to see if, hi Amy, to see if it actually adjust. Now you're going to want to dry this so you can kind of see. I don't know if you can see the actual sparkle. Hi, Heather. Or not, but you can see the difference. Very, very cool. Very neat. Okay, so I succeeded in creating a new invention. I'm sorry. I did not create a new invention. I created a new technique to use with your stuff. I'm going to dry this, especially for the ink, because you want your ink to dry. I'm going to have to mark this as like gold and sand. So we've got gold and sand here. My gold and my regular sand. And I will have to try to do that with some other colors too, especially that silver. I have so many colors I'd like to make silvery. So that's my new technique that I just made up. The welcome transfer is on my website. I do have a few in stock. You've got the big welcome and the little welcome, the let's stay home, and of course the little flower. And awesome. This went really well. So I will catch you guys later. I need to get ready for my team meeting tonight, and I'm going to tell them what we did today. So thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please do me a favor and click the little share button on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. And if you have not seen my canvas tote bag, video over on my business page, you need to go check it out and share it. I still need about 6 more shares before I can give it away. I am giving away this. I'll show you. As soon as I have, I'm gonna knock everything over. As soon as I have 20 shares, I am mailing this away to somebody who wins it. It's a really cool tote bag. It has a zipper inside and a zipper to close, and it's expandable. It's really cool. So, and I made it, and this is permanent. You can wash it. So if you have yet to see my video on this, go over to my business page. It's Creative Sarah, Independent Couture Designer, and watch it and then share it. So go ahead and do that, and you'll be in the drawing. Make sure you comment that you shared. And I think that's all I have for tonight. So enjoy the welcome. Super easy. And I will see you later. Bye, guys.